Every Flutter developer has encountered the dreaded unbounded height exception when putting a list view inside a column. And if you search online for a fix, the top answer is almost always to add shrinkWrap equals true. But what most developers don't realize is that this quick fix is a massive performance time bomb. If you are building a feed, a chat, or any long list, shrinkWrap equals true completely destroys Flutter's lazy loading architecture. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this freezes your app and the professional way to fix it using Slivers. Let's look at the beginner approach. We have a social media feed with 3,000 complex posts. Because we wanted a header above our list, we wrapped everything in a single child scroll view and a column. To stop it from crashing, we added shrinkWrap equals true to the list view. Here's the problem. ShrinkWrap forces Flutter to calculate the exact size of the entire list before it can render a single pixel. Instead of building just a few posts visible on the screen, the CPU is forced to build and calculate the geometry for all 3,000 complex widgets at the exact same time. Watch what happens when we try to navigate to this screen. I click the button and nothing. The entire app freezes for a few seconds before the page finally transitions. If you look at the performance overlay, we have a catastrophic UI threat spike. In a production app, the operating system would likely flag this as an application not responding error and ask the user to force close the app. Let's write this the right way. Here is the professional architecture. We delete the single child scroll view, the column, and the shrinkWrap entirely. Instead, we use a custom scroll view. CustomScrollView allows us to mix and match different scrollable areas using slivers. We put our header inside a sliver-to-box adapter and our 3,000 feed items inside a sliver list.builder. Because everything is natively understood by the scroll view, we restore 100% lazy loading. Flutter will now only calculate the layout for a few posts that actually fit on the screen. The remaining posts practically do not exist until the user scrolls down to them. Back in the simulator, let's load the sliver approach. I click the button, and the transition is instant. Zero lag, zero UI freezes. Even as we scroll through the complex feed, the performance overlay remains completely flat and green, because Flutter is rendering exactly what it needs, exactly when it needs it. Stop using shrinkWrap to fix layout errors. Start using slivers, and your apps will scale flawlessly.